Hey there! Let's talk about how and when to use an oxygen concentrator on livestock. Typically, we see breathing difficulty in newborn, sick and elderly livestock. Stress, illness, shock, choking, aspiration and trauma can all cause a decrease in oxygen supply. Lack of oxygen in livestock can cause brain damage, collapse, loss of mobility, seizures, organ failure, and death. Any loss of oxygen should be treated immediately under veterinary advice. Here's some signs your animal is experiencing lack of oxygen: panting, labored breathing, collapse, stridor, sound, agonal breathing, blue gums or tongue, loss of color in skin and eyes, coughing, pain response, high heart rate, high or low rate of breathing, and appetite or behavior changes. A stridor noise is caused by air forcing its way through the airway, causing a high-pitched eek sound. If you believe your animal is experiencing lack of oxygen and you hear a stridor noise, the animal may have something obstructing the airway or need to be repositioned in a sternal position. Treating lack of oxygen can be difficult to do without proper equipment and preparation. Oxygen machines and concentrators are the best option if it's affordable to you. If you do not have access to an oxygen machine, consider keeping a disposable can of oxygen handy. This can help provide respiratory support while transporting to the vet for treatment. When using oxygen machines on livestock, there is a few things to consider. First is your biosecurity. Always sanitize all oxygen masks, tubing, and equipment before and after using on livestock. Secondly is to remember too much of a good thing can be bad. Oxygen therapy should be limited to a few hours at a time, and you should always consult a veterinarian before using an oxygen machine on an animal. If your animal is experiencing collapse or loss of mobility from lack of oxygen, consider your bedding and treatment space. Make sure the room temperature is safe and the animal can access a cooler or warmer area without difficulty. Towels and blankets can be used to prevent further injury to the body or skin while the animal may be down or thrashing trying to stand. Avoid dusty or damp conditions while using an oxygen machine. When treating loss of oxygen in livestock, it's important to monitor and maintain body temperature as well as body position. Most animals should be kept in a sternal position to allow the airways to stay open. Large species like cows, horses, and pigs can experience difficulties breathing if their bodies are not positioned correctly. If you believe your animal is experiencing a lack of oxygen, contact your vet immediately. If you have the proper equipment and training, make sure to always maintain a clean space. Use proper personal protection gear for moving and handling livestock in distress. Consult your vet. Treat immediately but not for prolonged periods. Thanks for watching. Be safe and have fun.